Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me. Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna.
You guys, I thought I was recording when he was showing me my eye and telling me what's going on. Actually, my eyes are not that bad, he said. He said they are a little bit worse than they were before, but before they weren't that bad, so I feel good about that. And the condition of my eye, he looked way back in the back. Well, he looked at the picture way back in the back and all this stuff, and he was concerned about the something supposed to be 0.2. It was a little bit more, but it's nothing major to worry about. It just, with age, your eyes just start doing other stuff. And I was telling him how when I used to work in the salon with other people, and the older ladies would be like, can you thread this needle for me? And I'd be like, okay, cool. Now it's like, I'm like, doing all that? Yeah. So yeah, it's just normal eye aging. Whew. They didn't put those drops in my eye. I hope they don't have to put them in, because they have one more test to do. Look at this thing, you guys. All these things. When I first got her, I signed in, and then I went from there to one room to do an eye test, and then from there to another room to do a different eye test, and then here where the doctor came in and told me about the results. It's not that bad, though. And then he said something about glaucoma. I don't have that, but I was like, is it because I smoke weed? He was like, no. But I think if you get glaucoma, you can get a prescription for weed. Well, I don't need a prescription for that, okay? But anyway, yeah, everything seems to be okay. And he has my prescription for my glasses, and I can't wait, because these dang on Dollar Tree at 99-cent store reading glasses was not cutting it. Not cutting it at all. I could see, I don't know if I'm far side or near side. I gotta ask him that. I think I'm nearsighted. I can't see far away, which is weird. Why do they call nearsighted when you can't see far, and farsighted when you can't see near? It should be like the opposite. Where, well, I'm nearsighted, I can't see stuff near. I'm farsighted, and I can't see stuff far away. But yeah, they do what they do. Ooh. I'm all up in my eyes and stuff with you guys. I did not just wash my face, brush my teeth. Didn't put nothing on my skin at all. I thank God I don't get pimples or breakouts and stuff like that. I got them alone. When I was a teenager, I think I was like 12 years old. I had them all on my forehead. And my stepmom, she was a nurse. And she said, if you pop them the correct way, they won't come back. Child, it hurt so bad because I had like 20 of them on my forehead, and she went down and popped, and they never came back. But this, right here. Hi. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
If you'd like, you can leave your stuff here, and I can
Okay.
close the door behind you, okay?
Okay. You guys, we went to Ross, and they didn't have any other Gucci frames. I said, watch, now that we want them, we're not going to see them, but when we saw them all the time, they didn't have them. So we're going to go to a few other Rosses right now. We're out having breakfast at at IHOP. And since I'm trying to watch my caloric intake, I'm going to have a steak omelet with no potatoes in it, and that's it. But we're just chilling. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, bye. Okay, you guys, I told y'all I was going to take them twiglets out of my hair. I done told y'all. But I said that yesterday and the day before yesterday and the day before that. But this is just a wig that I made about a year and a half ago. And about 4 months ago, because I made myself a lot of wigs. About 4.5 months ago, or 4 months ago maybe even a little bit more than that. I shampooed and conditioned all of my wigs and let them air dry. So I just took this one off the shelf and decided to wear it today and curl it. Actually, I took it off the shelf a few days ago and curled it and stuff, but the curls were falling, and because I had it on the styrofoam headed on the shelf, so I said, let me wear this one today. And I'm glad I did. I make some wigs, you guys. I really make some wigs. Not really rushing to get ready. I'm getting ready early because I'm taking my sons to the Raiders Tavern for Father's Day. My oldest son couldn't get off work yesterday, so we had to do it today. And earlier, all I did was went to the eye doctor. Eyes are not perfect. Well, they're not bad at all. They're just a little bit worse than they were before, so nothing major. I don't have glaucoma. They took pictures of the back of my eye and the front and all that stuff, and everything's wonderful as far as my eyes. Okay, guys, we're at the M. Take them to their Father's Day gift. The what you call it? The Raiders Tavern. Yeah, I treated my sons to that.
Funny, huh? Yeah, I'm funny. So what about you?
Now you're trying to look cool.
I'm a dancer.
You're leaning so you get a picture. Michael, move to the center. Michael, move to the center.
This could be jam-packed. I said, damn facts. So where your man's at? They said, what's that? Smiled at each other and they both laughed.
He's hanging in there with one eye.
I mean, at this point, we're like lesbians.
Yeah, it's
And they
gonna
had
be
another
good
laugh.
Y'all can make some wigs. I love this.
I'm fucking high as shit. He walks funny.
Oh shoot.
He walks funny.
Different times to shake.
He just told his brother that he coughs ugly as shit. Who tells somebody that they cough ugly?
Negative motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Nigga. What's negative? The top of your fucking head, negative, nigga.
I'm gonna tell you,
That's-
I'm gonna throw some water on your shit.
Hey man, leave me alone. You good? I'm over here fresh. Hair blowing in the motherfucking AC.
Not blowing in the AC.
Boss. Hey, like every time I'm walking, it's like slow motion, like
That nigga cool as fuck.
boss.
Retard! Oh my god, y'all. Man.
So fucking loud.
We are about to be at the Raiders Tavern. It's over here. Wait, what?
Y'all fucking lying, y'all fucking game.
We're early, so we're sitting here playing some slots until 7:15. Then we can go in. Or they're gonna text me when the tables are ready. So we chilling right now, y'all. Uh-oh, somebody doing something over there. Okay. It don't matter to me. I'm having a tequila sunrise and they're having Patron with cranberry juice.
This is strong as fuck.
It's strong. Mine is very fruity. It tastes delicious.
My tray, my backhand, and that shit right there.
Yeah, this should be perfect. Look real good. Their wings are really good. They got steak and salmon. He's waiting. Nothing. Yeah. I don't care. Okay. You guys, today was a good day. Got a good eye exam. Took my sons to eat at the Raiders Tavern. They enjoyed themselves. Yeah, and that's really all that matters. You guys, I forgot to say welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below.
Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me. Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, if you